Okay, this is going to be just a short install overview video, mainly a review. I already had the grill lighted replacement lights, but this is something else that I thought would be cool. Uh, from BROADDICT, it lights the factory grill letters up from behind and gives you some little flashing effects. Here you see they're packaged very well. You have a 2-page instruction set, and they look to be a photocopy of a photocopy, so they're kind of hard to read, but you really don't need them. The removal of the grill is pretty straightforward, as is the install of these lights. Comes with a pretty nice waterproof wiring harness here. I think that I'll be using what I already have anyway, and tie them to the existing lights. The panels seem to be well made and pretty well sealed and waterproofed, I would think. I don't see any issues there. Of course, I got my camera a little low on the grill, but one of them is a left side and one of them is a right side that go on either side of the center spot in the O and the N where my camera is. I believe these are actually made for the Badlands grill without the camera, but they fit fine. I just had to trim a little on the edge of the camera rear bracket, but about 3/4 of an inch on either side. No big deal there. Here I am removing the grill. There's a lot of videos on that. You just release the push pins on the plastic valance that covers it. Take off the air box extension right there, and just lift the cover off, and that'll expose, I believe it's 5 10mm bolts that you remove from the top of the grill, and then it just pulls straight out. There's several locking clips on the bottom and a couple on the side by the headlights, but they pull out just fine. Now, since I already have the lighted replacement Bronco letters, I have a cable, and I haven't disconnected it at this point, so I just lay it on top of the engine there. I got a little blanket and turned it upside down just to test out the lights. Before I went any further, I wanted to make sure they worked. I just plugged in their little waterproof harness and applied negative and positive to the battery and made sure all the LEDs seemed to be working before I actually tried to mount it. The amber color that they add into this goes really well with the Badlands trim, since everything is orange. It kind of picks up the orange accents and looks orange instead of amber. Here you see there is a left and a right after I've removed the camera bracket. You can't mess that up. They'll only fit one way. You'll see that it overlaps the black part if you have the camera, the wider camera mount for the Badlands or the high package that has the 360-degree camera. So you have to mark it right here so it'll just fit inside that black area, and we'll clamp down on the white area. I used a Dremel tool. I didn't film the actual cutting, but you get the gist of the idea right here. Just trim along the lines, and the center bracket will hold the lights down. The ends will want to flop around a little bit, but once you put the grill up to the Bronco, the rear plastic pieces behind the grill will hold the lights in place just fine. I tied them to a auxiliary switch that runs to the front of the truck for now. And here you go. I think they look pretty cool. It's a good product. I think they're well worth the money. It's an easier way to light up the Bronco letters from behind than actually replacing each individual letter. That can be a pain to wire and hide the wiring for each of those individual letters. So I'll give a thumbs up to this BROADDICT rear LED panel. And thank you for watching.